I am not even feeling myself. But thank God I am alive. Jesus, wait, the bola? So they're gonna have to go on. Mr. Bola in there, sashes in there, now you want. Rotted. It a run. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. You know it's your girl Tracy with a curve. Now today I will take you along with me to get my MRI test done, which is magnetic resonance imaging, and otherwise knowing they are gonna take picture of my lower abdomen and my pelvic. So for you who are new to my channel, welcome. Come along with me, guys. Yes guys, so I am on my way. Time to leave out to go to the place. Yes, this is my workplace. I am leaving from there. Yeah, so my husband come to take me there. We are coming from Elsha Heights, Jamaica. Ibex in Jamaica. Yeah, still on our way. Do not reach us yet. So we are almost there. Yeah, so we're almost there. Still driving on the road. So we're about to take pictures of the lower abdomen, and we want to see what the endometriosis and the fibroid is going on with. Oh God, I've never done this before. I think it's not actually harmful. But really want to get this over with and done. I do really hope that I don't have to do a surgery. I've done actually 3 surgeries already in this life, and I wouldn't want to do another surgery. So I'm just hoping that I don't have to do a surgery after the test done. All right, after my result is back. So there you go. We're in halfway through. Fresh. Yes, almost there. Yes, this is the place. We are here, guys. We're looking somewhere to park. There. That was wrong room. Line number 6. You know, far I have to walk. Far I have to be walking. Jesus. So, I'm waiting to get checked by the doctor. Okay guys, I am here now. So Mr. Ramsey will explain the reason for me not to take the phone in the MRI. So
alright, so basically today guys, she'll be doing an MRI. What that entails, she'll be laying down for about 40 minutes for her scan. It's non-radioactive and it won't affect her in any way at all. She'll be in there for about 45 minutes, as I say. The machine basically will generate images of the area that she'll be doing, and those images will be sent to a computer. So sadly, you guys can't go in with her because it's a magnet and it may destroy her phone, and we don't want that any at all.
Thank you. So guys, you understand. So I will get back to you as soon as I am done. Hey guys, here am I. Just completed the MRI and getting ready to come out of here. I'm gonna tell you all about it. I'm gonna tell you guys all about it, alright? It was not that bad, but there was a lot going through my mind while I was in there. That's it, I'm getting out. Alright. Sorry. Okay, thank you. So all done now. I'm going to bring, I guess it's a CD of what they did inside. So the CD now.
We'll take it to doctor and pick up the report.
So it was a bit scary. I had to take out my earring, take off my ring and chain. It was a bit scary for me because it seemed like I was in a coffin. All locked up. And at one point I just keep talking in my head like, girl, this is like when you're dead and you're in a coffin with the eyes open. And also, well, thank God it was successful. I am not even feeling myself, but thank God I am alive. Yes, so at one point I'm talking in my head saying that, girl, it's something you hear, I squeeze you don't want to move it. That time the doctor told me that I should not remove my hand, should not even move my finger. I only could breathe. The first part I didn't realize that I could even open my mouth or talk. I even blinked my eyes because it said you could close your eyes and person do sleep in there as well. Yes guys, so I spent 45 minutes to 50. About, I think it would be 50 minutes in there to be exact. And procedure was finished, completed. And so I'm gonna go home, coming to pick up the result next week. Saturday coming. Yes, so we're looking for a positive result. Please pray with me, guys. Have a good day now. I am your girl Tracy with a curve. Please remember to subscribe and share. Bye for now.